Welcome to Quizly. Think you can crack these riddles? You'll get a few hints for each question and 15 seconds to solve it. Keep track of your score and share your total in the comments.
I have hands but no arms. I show time on my face. What am I? A clock. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. I brighten the room. What am I? A candle. I carry water but never get wet. I float high in the sky. What am I? A cloud. I have keys but no locks. I can't talk but respond to every touch. What am I? A keyboard. I have a neck but no head. I wear a cap but never a hat. What am I? A bottle. I can be cracked, made, told, and played. What am I? A joke. I reveal your past but not your future. I grow with you but never ahead of you. What am I? Your age. I leave marks as I work. I get shorter the more I'm used. What am I? A pencil. I run but never walk. I have banks but no money. What am I? A river. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I consume everything and leave ashes. What am I? A fire. I'm a symbol of trust. I can be broken without being touched. What am I? Promise. I start with an E and end with an E. I only contain one letter. What am I? An envelope. I'm always arriving but never here. I can be planned but never know. What am I? The future. I move forward and never stop. I'm priceless, yet many waste me. What am I? Time. I have a head and a tail, but no body. What am I? A coin. I'm something you can catch, but never throw. I can make you sneeze. What am I? A cold. I have legs but never walk. I can hold things but have no hands. What am I? A table. I'm black and white and full of facts. I keep you informed or mislead you. What am I? A newspaper. I have many layers, and I can bring you to tears without speaking. What am I? An onion. I smell bad or good, depending on the day. No one can hold me for long. What am I? Your breath.
Great job. Don't forget to share your score in the comments and subscribe to Quizly for more fun quizzes. See you next time.